Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the convergent and divergent. So we can use about the ratio test. So I will put about 8n. That is about this one. Now, we need to find about an plus 1. So in this situation, we have this one, but this is about n plus 1. That means we need to get extra one factor in here. So that should be like this. Now, we can use about the limit. And n approach to positive infinity, and we have the absolute value that is about an plus 1 over an. So I will put this one go on here, and this one go on here. So we need to simplify this one over this one, and we have like this. Next, about this one, we can put like this. That is about number 1 over n plus 1. So when n approach to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0 in here. So that means we have the square root of number 2 minus number 2 to the power of number 0. And this one, that is about number 1. And we know that this one is smaller than number 1. And that is about convergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching.